Have you ever wondered, could there be another version of you, living a completely different life in a parallel universe? Reality, a word we often use but seldom truly comprehend. As humans, we perceive our reality through a limited lens, constrained by our senses, our experiences, and our consciousness. But what if this reality is just a fraction of what truly exists? Consider this: the concept of multiple realities, a myriad of universes where different versions of you exist, living out lives that might be strikingly different or eerily similar to your own. A place where every decision you've made has spun off another reality, another you. Our understanding of reality is bound by our perception and consciousness. But what if we could stretch our consciousness, broaden our perception, and glimpse into these alternate realities? Sounds like a science fiction tale, doesn't it? What if you could access these alternate realities? Enter quantum jumping. Quantum jumping, a concept that might sound like science fiction, yet has its roots in quantum physics. But what is quantum jumping really? To understand this, we need to delve into the realm of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, suggests that reality isn't as solid as we might think. Instead, it proposes that countless versions of reality are coexisting at the same time. Now, imagine if you could jump between these realities at will. This is the essence of quantum jumping. To break it down further, let's look at a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics, known as quantum superposition. Picture a coin spinning in mid-air. While it's spinning, it's neither heads nor tails, but both at the same time. It's only when it lands, when we observe it, that it becomes one or the other. Quantum superposition suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once, just like our spinning coin. It's only when we measure or observe them that they collapse into one state. Now apply this to the universe at large. Each decision we make, each action we take, could be seen as a measurement that collapses reality into one state. But what about the other possibilities, the roads not taken? This is where quantum jumping comes in. The theory proposes that these alternate possibilities don't just disappear. Instead, they exist in parallel realities, all happening simultaneously. Quantum jumping, then, is the idea of shifting your consciousness to experience these alternate realities. If this sounds mind-boggling, well, it is. Quantum mechanics is famously complex and counterintuitive, but the beauty of quantum jumping lies in its potential to expand our understanding of reality and the universe. In essence, quantum jumping is the process of jumping into alternate versions of reality. So how does one jump realities? It's not as simple as stepping through a portal. Now, we get to the heart of quantum jumping. It's not about physically relocating. No, it's about shifting consciousness, about altering the state of your mind. Quantum jumping is a mental exercise, a journey inward rather than outward. It's about tapping into the infinite possibilities that exist within the quantum field. In essence, it's about reaching out to alternate realities that exist concurrently with our own. One of the common techniques used to attempt quantum jumping is meditation. By quieting the mind and focusing inward, one can supposedly tap into the vast quantum field. Meditation provides a gateway, a way to transcend the physical world and explore the quantum realm. Now let's talk about visualization. It's another technique often used in quantum jumping. Visualization is about picturing the reality you want to experience, about creating a mental image so vivid and detailed it feels real. The idea is that by doing so, your mind can make a quantum leap to that reality. Some proponents of quantum jumping also recommend using affirmations, positive statements that help align your consciousness with the desired reality. These affirmations act as a guide, a compass pointing your mind in the direction of the reality you want to experience. Of course, we need to stress that these techniques are speculative and based on interpretations of quantum theory that are not universally accepted. However, they offer a fascinating perspective on the potential of the human mind and the nature of reality. While the idea of shifting your consciousness to experience different realities might seem like science fiction, it's not entirely without scientific basis. The concept of alternate realities is a key aspect of many interpretations of quantum physics, and the idea that consciousness can influence reality is a topic of ongoing debate in the scientific community. While this concept may sound far-fetched, it is rooted in our current understanding of quantum physics. So as we delve deeper into the quantum realm, who knows what possibilities we might uncover? To summarize, quantum jumping is a fascinating, albeit controversial idea. It's a concept that dives headfirst into the deep end of the metaphysical pool, challenging our perceptions and understanding of reality itself. At its core, quantum jumping is built on the idea of multiple realities existing simultaneously, much like the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Imagine realities as countless parallel lines, each representing different outcomes, experiences, and versions of you. Every decision you make, every path you choose, creates a shift, a jump, into another one of these realities. But how does one make this quantum leap? It's here that meditation and visualization come into play. These are the tools that proponents of quantum jumping suggest can be used to shift consciousness from one reality to another. By visualizing the desired reality, they argue, one can align their consciousness with it and thereby experience it. This brings us to the role of consciousness in perceiving reality. In the realm of quantum jumping, consciousness isn't just a passive observer, it's an active participant, shaping and molding reality as it perceives it. It's like a painter, and the universe is its canvas. By changing the way we perceive our reality, we can, in theory, change the reality itself. But let's not forget, quantum jumping is a concept that sits at the intersection of quantum physics, metaphysics, and spirituality, each a complex field in its own right. It's an idea that, while fascinating, is still largely speculative and unproven. Many scientists and skeptics question its validity, citing a lack of empirical evidence. Whether or not quantum jumping is possible, it certainly opens up a world of possibilities to ponder. It invites us to question the nature of reality, the power of consciousness, and the potential for alternate realities. It's a journey into the unknown, a leap into a universe of infinite possibilities, and a thrilling exploration of the what-ifs that lie just beyond the boundaries of our understanding. Intrigued by the idea of quantum jumping and alternate realities? You are not alone. This is a field that is constantly evolving, filled with wonder and limitless possibilities. It's a journey of exploration and understanding, an adventure into the very fabric of existence. We've only just skimmed the surface here, and there's so much more to discover. Imagine the potential, the breakthroughs that await us in the realms of quantum physics and consciousness. It's a fascinating venture, and we invite you to join us on this quest. We encourage you to delve deeper, to continue researching and exploring these concepts. Your thoughts, your ideas, they matter. They contribute to the larger conversation. So don't hold back. Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows, you might just jump into a new reality.